In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you step by step how to crochet this cute mini hat. It's a very practical tutorial for absolute beginners, and yeah, you can do this. As you heard me well, it is for absolute beginners. I'll take you step by step. So let's get started. Once you want to get set all your materials for this project. I'll be working with a 2.5 mm size hook, and you can use any size of your choice. And you can also use this aluminium hook in case you have this. This is what we use over here most sometimes. Yeah. And you need some stitch markers, really not very compulsory, tapestry needle, and of course you're going to need your scissors. So let's get started. So we're going to begin by making our slip knot, and we're going to insert our hook. So insert your hook into this ring. We're going to begin with a foundation chain of 3 to make a chain, yarn over and pull through, 1, yarn over and pull through, 2, yarn over and pull through, 3. Here we have our 3 chains, and this is what we need to begin. This is what we need to begin. Now you want to come into the first chain. This is the first chain we're going to work in. Okay, so we're going to start with a triple crochet. To make a triple crochet, yarn over once and yarn over twice. So you should have 3 loops on your hook, 1, 2 and 3, and come into that first chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. And now you should have a total of 4 loops on your hook, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You pause, you let you 3, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You're left with 2, yarn over and pull through all 2 loops. This is how we make a triple crochet, and we need 2 more triple crochet. So yarn over once, yarn over twice, and make the second triple crochet. Now make the third, yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Here we have completed our 3 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3. Into that same space, now we're going to make a total of 3 double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn over just once. Okay, you have 2 loops, you have yarn over just once, insert your hook into that chain, and yeah, and now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, you're left with 2, yarn over and pull out 2. This is how we make a double crochet. I'll need 2 more, so yarn over and make the second double crochet, 1 and 2, good. And now you want to look here, we have 3 triple crochet and we have 3 double crochet. Now once we are done here, you want to chain 1, and make a triple crochet. So yarn over once and yarn over twice, come back into the space, yarn over and pull out 2 loops, pull out 2 loops and pull out 2 loops. Now next, chain 1 again the second time, right? And now on this other side, we're going to work the second part of our heart. We're just going to repeat what we did here. This is the first part of our heart that is done. If you want to look, you can see that the first part is already done. So we have really something like this, right? We already have this part, this first part. Now let's make the second part. Okay, now you're going to begin by making 3 double crochet. Remember, here we ended with 3 double crochet, and now we're going to begin by making 3 double crochet. So yarn over and make 3 double crochet. This is the first one, yarn over, make the second double crochet, 2, yarn over, make the third double crochet, 3, and now you want to make 3 more triple crochet. You see, it completes the 3 triple crochet that will start here in the beginning. So we're going to end here with 3 triple crochet. So yarn over once and yarn over twice, and this is the first, the second, and the third. Good. Now you remember here we have these two chains that is here. We need to complement that. So you're going to chain two, one and two. Pull that tail, pull it well, and now you come back into that middle space. You have already chained to right, come to that middle space and make a slip stitch. So insert your hook and yarn over, and bring it and make a slip stitch. Good. Here we have completed our yarn. Here we completed our hat. We're just going to fasten off that yarn. And now bring that tail from behind like this. Set your hook and bring that tail. And you want to pull that tail so that it closes up. Okay. Just peel behind, and you want to make a very solid knot before we're going to start using our tapestry needle. Create a knot there. Good. And now you want to continue now with your needle, and you want to weave in that section. You want to secure that tail. And once you're done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and fasten off again. And yes, thank you so very much for working with me. And here we have our mini hat complete. Thank you so very much for working with me. And now if you want it bigger, you just go ahead and use a bigger size hook, and your yarn also should be bigger. And you can see this is the same pattern, but here I use the 3mm size hook. You can see that the result is really different, right? Yeah, I use the 2.5. Yeah, we have our hook here. Yeah, I use the 2.5mm size hook. You can see here I use the 2.5mm size hook, and this is what we have. Yeah, I use the 3mm size hook, and this is what we have. Now go ahead and make plenty of these, and let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section below. Okay, now you can really make many projects with this. You can write a lot of things with this. Yeah. And here we have our earpod case. You just put your earpods inside here and you close it, and here we have something very beautiful. And you can just go ahead and take one of your hats and just put it there, and it gives you a very beautiful finishing to your hat. You can see. Now if you want to learn how to crochet this cute earpod case, just write in the comment section below earpod case, and I'll teach you how to make this. Okay, very absolute beginner. It is really very good, and it's going to keep your things safe, right? So comment below and let me know what you think. Watch if you want me to teach you how to make this. Okay, and you can see I also have this baby's hat here. It's so cute, and I went ahead and I inserted my hat here, and you can see that the hat is really very clean inside. I used the glue to glue my hat inside my hat, and we have something like this, really very beautiful. I have the full tutorial of this on my channel, Zoe Crochet Out, so do what to go and check it out. After you finish with this tutorial, I will leave the link to this baby's hat in the description box below. Okay, so after you're done with this, do what to go and check this tutorial, do the hat, and also decorate something like this. Yep, so there are many things you can make for yourself for this Valentine's Day. I wish you the best Valentine's Day. This is a wonderful gift you can make, and do many things about this. Okay, and give somebody and your loved ones, and stay blessed. And yes, go ahead and do plenty of these. And if you're still at home mom like me, I encourage you to do plenty of these and sell, and I pray God bless the work of your hands. So let me know what you think about this tutorial. If you want me to do plenty of these kind of tutorials, write in the comment section below. If there's any craft you want to learn how to crochet or make, write in the comment section below. Anything concerning wood and crochet, and by the grace of God, we're going to make it for you. And a big thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking and sharing. I see my tutorials being watched on WhatsApp and Facebook. Thanks to you. Thank you so very much. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do what to subscribe, and each time you subscribe, always turn the notification bell to say don't miss end of my tutorials. And yes, I have very important information for you. If you want to become a member of this community that God has given to us, I encourage you to write in the comment section below. Go ahead and write member. Once you see member, I will know that you want to work with us. It is a lasting community that must last and stand the test of time. Let's build a legacy that will allow a generation, that will allow generational impact. Okay, let's think about our children. So come and work with me and let's build this together. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, God bless you, God keep you, God bless the work of your hands. Stay safe, stay blessed, and shalom.